Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of James Bond Bitcoin Live 00167 hashtag Nocoiner. What is the Nocoiner? What does that mean? Well, let's find out today. Anyway, let me go over the note section real quick. Some of the things I'll be talking about. Have a look here. Bond trading view. We'll go over bond trading view. A list of top 58 coins and tokens compared to Bitcoin percentage and all-time high flagged for shorts. Be going over that today. And then top definition for Nocoiner. What does that mean? The Nocoiner. What exactly is that? Well, I don't know. I didn't know there was such a word, but the reason why I didn't know there was such a word is because it was just created around December. Let's go over that real quick. Anyways, let me go over the note section here. Coinspectator, real-time cryptocurrency news aggregator. And then CryptoPanic is a news aggregator platform indicating impact on price and markets for traders and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. I'll go over that. Let me go over the note section first. I'll be going over the news aggregators, giving you the sentiment of the cryptocurrency space, as well as some of the social engineering going on. I have the "It's time to stop" meme. Have a link to the "It's time to stop" meme. It's time to stop with these hard forks and any other of these scam forks or airdrops or whatever people are doing these days. Stop wasting your time. All right, you have something right now. It's called Bitcoin. Concentrate on that. Focus on that. And I think you'll be better off in the long run. All right, next in the note section, I have some useful links to something you might want to know if you're into the cryptocurrency, or if you're new to the cryptocurrency, which, I don't know, some people who watch me aren't newbies. If all the newbies watched me, they would go nowhere near this space, because this space really hasn't changed that much, because people never learn. Those who forget the past are doomed to repeat it. I believe it's George Santayana who said that. All right, let's have a look here. SegWit Charts, CoinCodex, LivecoinWatch, CoinGecko, Bitinfocharts, Johoe's Mempool statistics, Salome.io, Transaction Accelerator. You probably don't need that, but I put it in there anyway. And then Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash Hashrate historical charts 6 months. All right, next in the notes section is collecting your free Bitcoin gold with Coinami. If you still don't know how to do that, you're in big trouble. Anyways, I also made a video called How to Split Bitcoin Gold BTG01, just in case you need a video to look at. And then if you don't have an Android, you can still use Coinami by using their mnemonic code converter, or their recovery phrase tool, or their wallet generator, however you want to look at. At this point, I just don't see the use of hardware wallets. And then I have Bitcoin Gold, a link to Bitcoin Gold itself. All right, so I know BitConnect is long gone, but it doesn't mean it has to be over. So all of you people who feel like you deserve money from BitConnect, well, here's a class action complaint on BitConnect. Also an article, BitConnect hit with second lawsuit over Ponzi allegations, along with the complaint itself. And then U.S. court freezes BitConnect assets as lawsuit mounts, and the actual complaint itself over there. So if you feel like you deserve some compensation for being scammed, and you also want to probably include some of the promoters, you could definitely go out there and sue them or join the class action lawsuit. And the people who are getting sued, you have the right to definitely expend as much money as you want to defend yourself in attorney fees. And then also I have James Bond Bitcoin Live 00117, where I interview 3 bit connectors. And I'm sorry, I'm laughing here. Okay, I interviewed 3 big connectors. Check it out. Ozzy the bullshitter was also there. By the way, I saw Ozzy the bullshitter, Ozzy the BS filter on Tone Vase, and he had a dead rat on his head. Did anybody see that? I didn't know Ozzy was black because he has a afro now. He's gone from he's gone from a used car salesman to Afro Samurai. If you haven't seen Tone Vase, his recent live, his live, his live live stream, go check it out. Ozzy made a special appearance, and he's wearing a fucking rug on his head. Oh god. That is hilarious. It's fitting. It's fitting because Tone also wears a rug on his head. So it's fitting that Ozzy would also be on that show live with Tone. I don't know where they are. They must be in California. So they're like the two men with the toupees, 2 men with the two toupees. Hilarious, man. Go check out Tone Vase's live stream, his recent today. Go check it out. You'll see Ozzy with his toupee on. Man, the guy looks like the Jerry curls on him. It's hilarious. Anyways, I'm sorry, I had to laugh. Oh gosh. Anyways, check out James Bond Bitcoin Live 0017. Also, finally, in the notes section, I have the video theme for this video here. It's called the Nocoiner Rebuttal. In my research into wondering what the hell is a Nocoiner, I found this video, and don't discount Nocoiners because they have no Bitcoin doesn't mean they have no value in their opinion. Actually, some of the words this YouTuber was saying make sense to me. Sometimes you have to pull yourself out of your position and look at the situation as a third party, non-biased, right? And there's a lot of YouTubers out there who are desperate. I mean, Andy Hoffman came out with a video saying he sold his gold to buy Bitcoin, and he sold his silver to buy Bitcoin during the summer. And so he's like totally biased. No wonder he's making these videos where he's coming out practically begging everyone to go and hodl and buy Bitcoin. Him and Adam Meister, I don't know what their deal is, but their little love affair on YouTube, live streaming with each other, is questionable. Next is Bitcoin versus Nocoiner ideology. This is a little different video. This video is talking from a Bitcoiner's perspective versus a Nocoiner's perspective. So it gives you a good idea of the mentality and the thinking behind a Nocoiner and a Bitcoiner. I'm indifferent. I was very naive when I first came into this space, and very hostile to anything that was against my position. Of course, that's natural, but I've matured in many, many ways, and I've learned to benefit from the market downturn, because market downturns give an opportunity for you to get more Bitcoin. All right, you just have to know when to get in. All right, I'm not saying I'm perfect at timing this, but I see all the same symptoms. I see the same problems back from 2013. And again, I'm going to reiterate this. Those who do not remember the past are doomed to repeat it. Okay? And I'm seeing the same things over and over again. Binance, by the way, I don't know if anybody knows Binance. All of a sudden, your coins aren't available on Binance. CoinCheck gets hacked. A lot of Tether rumors flying around. everybody's kind of going negative, and now they're going positive. They're flip-flopping. They don't know what to do, what to say. People are begging, and other people are crying. This is you know, I've seen this before, and let me tell you, good luck to you all. And anyways, next in the notes section, hashtag yes2x138. The meme you're looking at right now, the Nocoiner. Is this really the Nocoiner? Do people who don't care about this cryptocurrency space, are they really crying? Are they really butthurt? I don't think so. I think it's just a Bitcoiner's perspective of the outside world viewing the inside world of Bitcoin. But you got to remember, Bitcoin is just really a fringe society. It really is. You know, I keep hearing the 5% people who may own Bitcoin, and then there's maybe 30%, maybe 10% of the population that's heard of Bitcoin. That number's improved since 2013. So, you know, I kind of understand, maybe I understand the mindset of a lot of noobs out there who are coming into this space and the emotions they're feeling, especially when the price is going up. Maybe they, you know, they're not down yet. Maybe they're not out, but at least, you know, 2/3 of their wealth, of what they thought that their wealth was, has all of a sudden disappeared. Where did it go? I mean, it was here, now it's gone. They're probably a little panicked, maybe a little frustrated, and some people may be taking it out on the no-coiners, which really don't exist. There is no such thing as a no-coiner, okay? There's just people who don't have Bitcoins, and there's people who do have Bitcoins. It's not a no-coiner, you know, no-coiner. Anyways, I'll go over the no-coiner thing. Okay, I have also Pot of Gold, Bitcoin Pot of Gold. Please donate to the Bitcoin Pot of Gold so I can give away the 13th clue of the 13th word of the 24-word mnemonic seed. And, you know, please donate. I have the donational address. It is a SegWit address, so please donate. Everybody, please donate. Just like everything else in this cryptocurrency space, everybody gives, and one person walks away with all the money. Anyways, oh goodness. Let me see. What is that? Is that it for the note section? That is it for the note section. I did start this show a little early. Oh my goodness. Let's see who's all in the live stream here. All right. Hey, how you guys? X Games, how you doing? Pisces Straight 373. Good to see you. Looks like you're too early. Well, in some ways, yeah. I started the show a little early because I wanted to actually wake up early in the morning because I got my new rad mini electric bike from Rad Power Bikes. I'm enjoying it. Maybe you saw some of my my video on it today. So I'm going to be making more videos. I'm going to be riding around that thing. I'm going to be cruising in it. I'm having fun. I've put 3 miles on it so far, just riding around the block. So I just put out an early show. Anybody else who comes in, or they could watch it later, whatever works. And dual overhead cabinet says hashtag no coiner. Yeah, that's, you know, I saw that today and I was like, what the hell? I've never heard of a no coiner, which I kind of know what it is. It's obviously a person who has no coins. But what exactly does it mean, and why is it brought up? And it's kind of interesting that it's being floated around, this terminology. I'll get into it a little bit later. I will multitask on my hot sequences for the next 3 days. Okay. Why you so early tonight, Bon? You be on a date? No date. I just want to get to bed early so I can wake up early, take my young one to pre-K. I'm going to come home and I'm going to start riding my electric bicycle, my mini rad, my foldable electric bicycle. So I just went ahead and started early. I don't have really a schedule. And then Leisure Picker, welcome to the show. Leisure Picker, welcome to the chat. My Ozzy, my cousin Vinny, where are you? Did you see that? You were there. I saw you there, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he looks like he looks like Joe Pesci in that in that live stream. That was hilarious, man. What in the hell? Where did he get that rug, man? Where did he get that raccoon on his head? It's not a rug on Ozzy. It's follicle transplants. Where did he get those? Where did he get the hair? Did he pull them off his nutsack? Are those his scrotum hairs? Oh goodness, that was funny. Check the live stream. It is hilarious to watch him. I mean, because everyone knows he's bald, right? He's bald as a doorknob, and all of a sudden he's there with a little afro coming out, little sideburns. He let his side hair grow a little bit. Oh goodness. I wonder how many. Where did they get the hair? That's what I want to know. Where did they get the hair for that? They must have plucked it out of, he must be hairy everywhere to get those jerry curls. He must have hair on his shoulders, in his butthole, probably on his balls and his legs, everywhere except his head, of course. Oh goodness. Well, welcome to the live chat, everyone. Thanks for being here. Let's go on to here. So the Nocoiner. What is a Nocoiner? Gosh, you know, I could see history definitely repeating itself here. I mean, the people are getting desperate. People are getting desperate. That's a sign to me that things are very. There's a disturbance in the force here. I feel it. And I think it's only a matter of time before I think the sky is falling. How should I say that? The sky is falling. Maybe I'm just Chicken Little. Maybe I'm a no-coiner. Who knows? But let's go on here. Let's see what's next here. Let me see. Okay, I'll be going over the news feed here. Let's go over coin. This is Coinspectator.com. Let's take a look here. Let's see what's going on here. Mining. Bitcoin mining is more polluting and energy intensive than gold mining. Digi economist. I didn't know there was a Digi economist all of a sudden. Let's see what else. Regulators eye cryptocurrency as value slumps. Wow. Look at the headlines coming. The sentiment still remaining bearish. How about this? John McAfee spreads rumors about Binance downtime. What is this about? Let's have a look at this. John McAfee spreads rumors about Binance downtime. Well, I'm assuming by this picture, I think he's lying. Is that the theme of this picture here? Let's see. Due to server issues, the largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, has been taken offline for the past 24 hours. Now, when I first read about this, they were supposed to be off only for 24 hours. I think it's over 24 hours now. Let's see here. During this period, both exchange and its CEO have been extremely active on Twitter, updating their users with the progress of bringing the platform back online. Anytime you have an exchange, and the thing with Bitcoin exchange or cryptocurrencies, exchanges, it never stops. It just continues and goes and goes and goes. So whenever you have a downtime like this, it scares the pants off of everybody, because a downtime in the back of people's head means hack time. Okay, that's what downtime means. I don't know about this. If it takes much longer, I would start suspecting something might be wrong. In either case, it is a disturbance because people can't trade. Maybe that's why the price has been floating where it is right now, because no one's been able to dump their Bitcoins. When your exchange is locked and you can't even do anything, like when the exchange is offline, you can't even do anything. Your Bitcoins are gone. The price can't move. This is why the price has been around what 8,000. Let me check the price real quick. I'm going to look at it on my smartphone here. So it's just hovering around 8,000. Whoa, nope, it's under 8,000, and so it's kind of stalling. It's stalling in price. What can you say? Anyways, let's see here. Let's go back to you guys here. That was interesting. All right, let's go back up and let's check out the rest of the news here. John McAfee, what a troublemaker, man. What a little bitch. How about here? More of Fed's George. Bitcoin is speculative, not mainstream yet. Okay. New York regulator demands vigilance against market manipulation from bit licensed firms. There we go. Deutsche Bank sends in the Bitcoin FUD busters. Let me see what interesting news is out there today. Oh wow, I didn't know about this. Dow Jones drops another 1,000% in a week. Wow. I didn't realize that. Crypto markets don't quite follow. Well, when your largest exchange is offline, it's hard to dump your Bitcoin, isn't it? Let me see. Crypto okay, whatever this is. Crypto trader sues T-Mobile for giving hackers control of his account. Good luck. Good luck. Oh goodness. Okay. Dow down, Bitcoin up, but totally correlated. Nocoiners lack imagination. 320,000 Bitcoin. Okay. Yeah, I guess with numbers like that, a Nocoiner definitely lacks imagination. NVIDIA CFO, crypto mining demand beats expectation in Q4. Well, I guess they must be selling a lot of graphics card. Well, there we go. Anyways, that gives you an idea of the market sentiment on Coinspectator. Let's go check out CryptoPanic. There we go. CryptoPanic. Let me see here. Let's see what this is. It says new exchange will hit soon. Surface might be big chance for Neo and gas fiat deposits and withdrawals. All right, man, I should just sell all my holdings of Bitcoin and go into Neo. Okay, Shark Tank investor Robert Hervajek bullish on cryptocurrency and blockchain. All right, another rich noob coming into the space, telling everybody what's going on. Like that's really happening. Neo value could be 1/3 of Bitcoin. Wow. I'm telling you, I should just sell all my Bitcoin and just buy Neo. What can go wrong? How can I lose any money? I probably will lose it all if I buy Neo. Okay, here's something from Binance, everybody. Estimated time for trading to recommence has not changed. We are still looking at 4 a.m. UTC on the 9th, 2018, February the 9th. Thank you all. Let me see here. Thank you all for continuing to remain so patient. Reminder, we will allow a 30-minute window where users are able to cancel orders prior to trading being opened. Man, this sounds just like a lot like Mt. Gox and a lot like Bitphoenix. When you hear stuff like that, that's just brings back horrible memories. Nobody really wants that. I'm glad I don't trade on exchanges anymore. Let me see here. Dow Jones, another 1,000 points in a week. Crypto markets don't quite follow. Same news story. Let's see here. I thought this was kind of interesting. Berkeley, California, developing own cryptocurrency and accompanying ICOs. Wow, we've really truly entered the belly of the beast there. Oh, here's something for the IOTA people. They must love this. City of Taipei confirms it's testing IOTA blockchain for ID. Wow, here's another one I should sell. Here's another one I should sell. All my Bitcoins for cryptocurrencies like IOTA. Not too much going on here on this side. Oh, here's ones from Goldman Sachs. Gotta love this one. Goldman Sachs claims cryptocurrency will collapse while privately building billion-dollar trading desk. Okay, interesting. Well, oh, here's some. This has a lot of negatives for some reason. Why is Bitcoin pumping today, or why is Bitcoin Cash pumping today? That is a good question. I did notice that in the charts, Bitcoin Cash was pumping. I guess because Anarchapulco is coming up soon, and if Anarchapulco is coming up soon, of course Bitcoin Cash has to pump. Why wouldn't it? Okay, here's another one. Binance refutes accusation of hack with the power of blockchain. Binance refutes all hack rumors with blockchain, posts Bitcoin and Ethereum wallet address to show funds are still there. Well, that's good news. Good news for all those people who are trading. All right, so that's the sentiment out here today. That was fun. All right, so here we go. All right, QR code on the left, this is a Bitcoin pot of gold. QR code on the left is the address key. If you scan that with your wallet, please donate. So I can give away the 13th clue of the 13th word of the 24-word mnemonic seed. Or if you want, the QR code on the right is the encrypted private key. Please scan that. And if you know the password, all those Bitcoins are yours. Now keep in mind, it is a SegWit wallet. And this right here, this QR code here, is the QR code that will take you to another YouTuber, Yellow Fever for You, and to his channel. This was his idea. Thank you, Yellow Fever for You. All right, so let's see who's all in the live chat here. We'll refresh. All right, there we go. Bear market, bro. Is it a bear market? I think it's still a bear market. Put it this way. Has Bitcoin made an all-time high? No. It's a bear market. That's just me. Let me see. I'm so scared of teddy bear. Well, I'm not scared of teddy bear. I'm actually glad, because I think this is going to be the test of the new Bitcoiners that have come into this market. They have to go through a bear market to understand the meaning of what it means to hodl, first of all. I don't stress hodling. I really don't. The reason I hodl is because those coins are no risk to me. Okay, I didn't bet the farm on the Bitcoins that I have, because I've essentially gained them through trading. Those Bitcoins are free. So whether the Bitcoin price goes up or down, it doesn't really matter, because I'm willing to hold it. All right, I'm willing to hold those Bitcoins for a very special day. And when that special day comes, it will be the greatest day of my life. It will be the greatest day of my life. I don't know about you, but if you're a Nocoiner, you won't have that chance. But if you're a Bitcoiner, you will have that chance. Let's see here. Pisces Trait 373. I know these numbers look foreign to y'all, but it's sweet. Are you still gambling those numbers? Sterling Payton, welcome to the live chat. You say Roger Ver on InfoWars. Really? What's he? You know, InfoWars. I have to admit, you know, watching those kind of channels, I don't know. I've moved away from watching a lot of YouTubers. Sometimes I'll just glance and see what's going on, but I've gone on to some other interests. You know, when the bear market comes, nobody wants to hear about my experience going through the last bear market and the signs that I see. So, but I'll put it out there anyway for anybody who wants to listen. Extract the wisdom and my experience, and please use it. All right, use it for yourself. Understand how markets work. Okay, and if you don't want to, that's fine too. You know, I'm going to take my own advice, and my own advice is to wait until the price goes down to a lower price in which I'm ready to buy. And so far, the market has not told me to buy yet because I have not sold out of my Bitcoins on my trading wallet. So when my Bitcoins are sold out, that's when I will buy. But by the time that happens, either two options. The price of Bitcoin will go up. If the price of Bitcoin goes up, guess what? I won't have to buy Bitcoin for a very long time because my Bitcoins are worth more money. If the price of Bitcoins go down, my Bitcoins are less. So whenever someone comes buys those Bitcoins from me, I have to give them more. That means I'll run out of Bitcoins faster, which means I will have to buy back in. But I'll be buying back in at a lower price. That's the key. That's the beauty of being a peer-to-peer trader. All right? You get the advantages. You let the market tell you when to buy, and you let the market tell you when to sell. You don't fight the market. You participate with the market. Okay, there's a difference. There's people who trade on these exchanges, which is a zero-sum game, and you are trying to beat the market. You're not going to beat the market because there are more people like me who are the market, and and you know, all I have to do is listen. I participate in the market. The market tells me when to buy, when to sell. As simple as that. I don't try to fight it. I don't try to outsmart it because you know, so far my experience, it's worked out really great for me. I don't know about you, but all right. Anyways, but that's just my opinion. That's just my opinion. You can do everything you want to do. Let me see here. Roger is a liar. He is. He is a liar. I've caught him lying. He's very obvious when he lies. You know, people are very obvious. If you know what handed they are, left hand, right hand, and just look at mostly their face, you can tell when they're lying. Bond, I gave them my password 7099. All right, excellent. Everyone, Pisces Traits 373. His your password is 7099. Let me see what else did Pisces Traits say. Just because you don't care doesn't mean everyone does. I buy when I have funds. It's weird that way. Well, everyone has their own style, but when you're in when you trade peer to peer, the market will tell you when to buy and when to sell. All right. I don't force anyone to buy. I don't dump my coins on exchanges. I hodl them. They're held on a trading wallet for the purposes of trading. And when the market comes to me and says, I like to buy X amount of Bitcoins, I say yes. I don't fight the market. I say yes. Doesn't matter if we're in a bull market, in a bear market. If the market comes to me and says, I want some Bitcoin, I give them Bitcoin. And the interesting thing is, in my experience trading in this way, Like I said, when the price goes up, the value of my Bitcoins go up. So it takes longer for the market to buy those. When the value of of Bitcoin goes down, if the market wants those Bitcoins when the market's going down, they're worth less. I have to give them more Bitcoin. So I run out faster. I run out of my Bitcoins faster, of my trading Bitcoins. I have to buy more. But by the time I buy more, the price has gone down. I'm going to get even more Bitcoin. And you just keep doing that until the bull market comes. So just listen to the market. Let the market tell you when to buy, when to sell. If you trade peer-to-peer, which probably most of you don't. All right, so let's go on here. And what is a Nocoiner? What is a Nocoiner? Well, let's read what a Nocoiner is. A Nocoiner is a person who has no Bitcoin. All right. Nocoiners, usually socialists, lawyers, or MBA economists, are people who missed their opportunity to buy Bitcoin at a low price because they thought it was a scam, and who is now bitter at having missed out. The Nocoiner takes out his or her bitterness on Bitcoin hodlers by constantly claiming that Bitcoin will crash, is a scam, is a bubble, or other types of easily refuted FUD. Nocoiners have little to no computer skills or imagination. Even when they see the price of Bitcoin go up and its adoption spread, they consider all Bitcoin users to be in a collective disillusion, with only themselves as the only ones who can see what is happening. This attitude comes from being steeped in the elitist priest culture found at Harvard, Yale, and Columbia, where everyone who is not part of their clique is treated with suspicion by default. The worst Nocoiners are tenured academics, oh goodness, gold bugs. Nocoiners believe that the world owes them everything they want because they are part of an elite. They are hysterical liars, brats, prostitutes, and losers. Wow, that's a different definition of a Nocoiner. Now, this definition is by Prescopax on December 7th, 2017. Wouldn't you know it? Isn't that the same time when Bitfinex? That's about a day after when Bitfinex got their subpoena. And also, isn't that around the same time that Bitcoin started to come off its all-time high on a downward trend into what I think is essentially a bear market? We're headed here. You got to have an objective view if you want to survive this game. You can, I'm glad there's a lot of people who are passionate and are very. I won't even. I don't know if I'm ready to call them Bitcoin maximalists or even Bitcoiners. I think they have a monetary position, they have a vested interest, and because of that, I think their judgment is clouded. If they took themselves out of their current position into a third-party objective position, they would realize that we are in a downtrending market right now. When you go from 20,000 to 8,000, which is current price 8,000, a little bit under 8,000, I'll be doing a chart analysis. I'll go over the mempool. I'll go over the fees, but I have a feeling that from 20,000 to 8,000, that's a considerable drop. You would have to consider, well, maybe there is some kind of downtrending going on right now. But instead, they come up with these definitions of a Nocoiner, and the way this thing is worded, I mean, there is so much hatred and contempt for people who have no coins. It's disturbing in a lot of ways. So, hey Patrick, how you doing? Welcome to the live chat. Anyways, there's your Nocoiner definition. The Nocoiner. Does the Nocoiner really look like this? Let me tell you, people who have no coins don't care about this space at all. If the price of Bitcoin can go to like $40 million, one Bitcoin can go to $1 billion, and they still won't care. You know, to some people, this will never make sense. But what's more disturbing, that part is not disturbing. There's just some people who will never have any Bitcoins. They just will not ever get involved. The most disturbing part of this is how we view no-coiners. Viewing no-coiners in a way that seems to be in contempt is dangerous. Okay? We should view people who have no coins as an opportunity to explain ourselves in a manner in which we can convey our feelings of why we are a Bitcoiner. When I've been watching a lot of videos, and man, this Nocoiner has been coming up a lot, as if to put down people who don't see things our way. And I think that's very, very dangerous. It could be a turnoff. It could be a turnoff, especially when the price is going down. It's a big turnoff. So people should be very careful how they express themselves in a bear market. Okay, I'm okay with it. Matter of fact, I look forward to the bear market because it gets rid of all the crap. It gets rid of all the people who shouldn't be in here, shouldn't be in this market at all. It gets rid of them. And it strengthens the people who understand this technology, understands the space, understands what's really going on. And those are the people who should be empowered. The people who truly understand, not the posers, not the fakes that come by, the wannabes who don't even care or take time to really understand how any of all this works, nor how the community works or the dynamics of this community. There's a lot of nuances to this being a part of this community. A lot of people may not like me. I troll quite a bit. But that's the thing about being a Bitcoiner is, believe it or not, trolling is a part of being a Bitcoiner. You may not believe that, but it is. All right. And there's something to it. It's like standing up for your beliefs. Standing up for what you believe in. That's what trolling really means. That's how I view trolling. And if some people don't like that, well, that tells me something. That tells me I might be onto something here. Anyways, let's go to live. Let's go to LivecoinWatch. I haven't been there for a while. Let's check it out. Let's see how the markets are doing these days. All right, let's see what you are saying in the live chat. All right, so let's have a look here. Let me see here. Pay attention. Let me see. Why you care when you're irrelevant? Are you so cool? Let's see here. Only smart person would take notes. Obviously, you're not. What are you guys talking about? Oh, goodness. Welcome to the live chat, Patrick. You're not missing too much. If you don't understand orientation, my sequence is be quite like everyone else. Bears make money. The fact that you talk about Nocoiners makes it more volatile. Yes, yes, I love the volatility. You know, you gotta appreciate. You know, a true holder, a true hodler, as some people would like to say, hodl, strong hand, and all this other nonsense. Buy and hold, man. Buy and hold is it's so worn out. Um, Someone who really does hold their coins, right? Own their private keys. Doesn't matter what the price is, especially the smart ones, because either you're a very early investor, or you've gotten and earned your Bitcoins through trading, or you've earned them for free. And so, you know, the price can go up, the price can go down. It doesn't matter for the person who truly owns their private key. All right. And I can talk with calm and ease because those coins have no risk. So I can hold them to the grave, essentially. The other people, they have a risk. They got money in there and they're freaking out. They're freaking out because they're worried that the money that they put in that they can't afford to lose are going to lose. They're crapping their pants right now. So, you know, that's the thing about it. Let's see here. Bond, talk about LTC Cash. What about it? I mean, what is that, a fork? Another fork of a fork? I think forks are a waste of time. Let me see. DGD has been rising nicely. That's good to know, X Game is. It's good to know. Golden hold. Yeah, some of these phrases are getting really worn out, you know, really worn out. It's like a bad record just repeating itself. We need to grow. We need to mature. We need to start doing things. These one-liners don't do anything, okay? We're becoming everything that we all hate, you know. Let me see. What that dude, man, because I have a strategy to buy more cryptos, just sharing my art. Okay. Anyways, let's go to LivecoinWatch. All right. So, wow. All right. I'm going to look at the 30-day. This is LivecoinWatch. I'm going to look at the 30-day right here. Look at all this redness. All this redness. Neo, look at Neo. Neo's not bad. Neo's kicking butt. Only down 6% from 30 days ago. Maybe they're doing something right. I should sell all my Bitcoin for Neo. Let me see. If you were all shorting any of these coins, or you sold at the top, you did good. VeChain, I don't know why. Let's have a look here. Eternity still doing good. Wow. Digix DAO still up after 30 days. Walton Coin still up after 30 days, right here. Not too many coins. Most of them are down 40 to 60, some down 70. Wow. Doesn't look good. Does not look good. You tell me, are we in a bear market or are we in a bull market? Looks like a bear market to me. I mean, this is a no-brainer, but maybe some people need help. All right, so let's go over the Bitcoin fees here. Let's go to Johoe Mempool statistics. Wow, this is amazing. Look at that. Look at that. We're pretty low. I wish it would go down lower. I wish all this one 1 Satoshi per byte fee would really disappear once and for all and get some fresh ones here. Or maybe they are fresh ones. So 1 Satoshi per byte right now is at 5,299 transactions. Anything over 1 Satoshi per byte will get you into the next block. That is awesome. I think it's very indicative of probably the price. I wonder if the price of Bitcoin is under 8,000. So what I've noticed is the price, the mempool goes down. Right now, if the mempool goes down, the price goes down. That's what I've noticed. I don't know. Maybe am I wrong? There's correlation right now. Maybe it will correlate. Maybe it won't. Okay, let's have a look here. Yeah, we're getting some normal activity now. The mempool size has increased, though. Interesting. Okay. Now let's go over Bitcoin charts. Let's go over the Bitcoin charts. Let's see what's happening. Are we in a bull market now? Are we in a recovery? All right, Bitcoin is below 8,000 currently right now. Okay. Okay. Let's have a look on the 1 day real quick. Yeah, well, on the 1 day or on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, let's see if there's any good support. Let's just see if there's any good support. Let's have a look here. Well, if I was to look at that, let's have a look here. Let me redraw this line. All right, so if I was to look at that, I would have to say it's breaking down. But this is 1 hour, and the prices move quite a bit. So it's hard to say on a 1 hour. The only thing I can say for sure is that currently the spot price is below the 2 moving averages, and the 2 moving averages has crossed over now. It may not mean much because it's only a 1 hour, and 1 hour right now is not worth a damn. But let's go to the 12 hour. Let's see if we can catch it or see anything. All right, let me draw some lines here, just simple lines. And it looks like the spot price is above this moving average. So it looks like there may be an attempt, and I said maybe, okay, maybe. There may be an attempt to reach this 9,000 or this trend line right here along with the moving average. So there could be an attempt. Question is, how many people are going to get knocked out of their shorts and knocked out of their longs? How many people? There's probably a really good chance that you're going to see some whipsawing, because that's how the market works. The market is there to take your money, all right, and give it to the people who participate in the market. So the market rewards those, all right, who help the market. The market participate those, all right, who participate in the market. Not try to fight the market, not try to beat the market, not try to go against the market, but reward those who participate in the market. All right, the real peer-to-peer market. So 9,000, it's probably a target price. It really needs to break above that, and it needs to go above 98,000, or I'm sorry, 95,000, or 9,500, so 9,500. It needs to go above that, but it's challenging. Let's go on the 1 day, and let's just get rid of these lines. On the 1 day, it doesn't look that great. It looks like it is struggling to stay above this moving average. And when I look at the RSI, this is the lowest right here on the RSI, coinciding with this low right here. That typically isn't always the low. It usually hits below, goes up just a little bit, and then it'll touch on the RSI a little bit higher than the previous low RSI. But on the chart, what happens is that it'll make another lower low, and man, it is just brutal out there. It's going to get brutal. And what sucks is it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you're short or you're long. The market, like I said, is there to take your money and give it to the people who participates with the market, not tries to fight with it or bet against it. That's a wrong move. So it looks like it was oversold here and it's just bouncing back above. If it breaks here again, I mean, this is going to be catastrophic. Let us all pray. Let us all pray that the price can go up higher, because if it does not go up higher and break these levels, if it doesn't break 12,000, if it doesn't break 13,000, if it doesn't break 17,000, you know, you're looking at another break on the downside. That's just my opinion only. You know, I am expecting to get. I'm waiting for prices to go down lower. I'll be honest with you. So does that make me a no-coiner? Am I a no-coiner because I want Bitcoin at a lower price so I can buy a whole bunch more of Bitcoins? Am I a no-coiner for that? I don't think so. All right, let's go on the 3-day. Let's have a look at the 3-day. 3-day spot price way below the moving average on both of these moving averages here. There could be a chance it could get up there, but again, that's at 9,000. So no price action has tested any significant resistance yet. The price you're seeing right now is nothing more than a dead cat bounce. It's just the price returning to a mean. The trend is still downwards. So I have to say, be careful of people telling you that we are in a recovery, buy and hold, gold and hold, or whatever strong hand nonsense. If you want to make money, think for yourself. What you want to be doing right now is you want to be getting Bitcoin at a lower price. If you think it's great, if it's a great time to buy now, go ahead. I'm not going to stop you. If you can push the price up to all-time high, I'm okay with that. Matter of fact, I would encourage it. I would encourage it. But the reality is probably over 60% of the market participants have left the market. There's no incoming flow of income to push the price up. So it's kind of hard to get a reversal here. Really hard. And here's the thing, like look at this volume here, and it's a green volume with a green candlestick, but the price has barely moved. Look, that's a small candlestick. Look at this green candlestick right here, and look, that was this green volume right here, and look at the green volume here. Just to make this candlestick. Something ain't right, people. Something ain't right. This is just too much. All right, well, this, I don't know. This doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. It looks like it's bottomed out, and we should be going up. And who knows? We might. If it does break, you're looking at a resistance right about here, which is at 10,600, and then it'll be tested. It'll be tested. We're gonna have to see if that's gonna be it. It could be returning to a body. If you look at the body of this, going up and down, up and down, up and down, it seems like it would go up here and then come back down and just continue onto like a downward trend. That's what it looks like. It doesn't mean it will, but that's what it just looks like. And I think the trend has pretty much almost turned. I'm just waiting for that second higher high, and then for that to be the second higher high, and or a third higher high, depending how you look at it. And then that would be a confirmation. That would be the confirmation. Unfortunately, when you get confirmations, the price is dramatically different. In a confirmed bear market, by the time you get the confirmation, the price has dramatically been depressed. All right, we were at 20, now we're at below 8. So more than 60% loss in value by the time you realize a bear market is confirmed, unfortunately. All right, so that's it for the chart analysis. Nocoiner, huh? Nocoiner. I wonder how many YouTubers out there are Nocoiners. I bet you there's a lot, and they all just talk out of their butts for the most part. Let's see what you're all saying here. Let's all refresh. This is pretty much the end of the live stream. I'll look at your comments real quick, and then I'll end it. Leisure Picker says, Horse Jockey James, it needs to retest 6K again. Well, if it retests 6K, it's going to break 6K. And if it breaks 6K, you know, we'll definitely looking at 2,500. And that's the next bottom price, or the next price on the way down. The price, if you ask me, the price range is basically 5,000, 2,500, 1,250, and then somewhere between 680 and 700. And then by the time you get to 680 and 700, around that price, that's when nobody's going to talk about Bitcoin. Nobody has an interest in Bitcoin. You're not going to see a bunch of YouTubes on it. The price will move a couple dollars by that time, or maybe $10 or $20, and people would be like, it moved $20, so what? So when you get your first bull market signal, the very, very early bull market signal, a price increase of $20 will seem like a joke. But for those who can read the signs and understand how the market dynamic works, you'll know when to buy back in. You'll know when that is the bottom. I guess you can call it a bottom, and you've got to go. Hey, Patrick. Yeah, I saw Ozzy on Tone's channel. Did you see his rug on his head? Did you see his afro? I heard that was a transplant, and I was wondering why his hair was so curly. Is because they plucked it out of his nutsack, or or from his butt, or maybe from his shoulder. Just have your fiat ready. I agree, Patrick. I agree. We should all have our fiats ready. I'm as soon as it hits 5, maybe maybe 3,000. I'll get ready. I'll get ready. I might start buying a little bit then. I'm making some massive. I would maybe making massive gains. Anything below 5,000 is massive gains. Because if anybody who sold at the top around 20, and you buy back at 5, that is an awesome deal. You made 300% on your Bitcoin, not in fiat, on Bitcoin. So you made a 300% gain in Bitcoin, which is awesome. All right, which is really awesome. Let me see. Pisces Trade says, I hope it goes 5K or less, stacking up from my pick 4 winnings. Well, good for you. Good for you, Pisces. All right. Everyone, let's go end it on the meme. I'm going to end this live stream. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. And if you don't believe me, or you think I'm a no-coiner, that's fine. I'm okay with that. I have to say, I'm just sharing my experience. I'm sharing my wisdom with you. If you can capitalize on that, all right, if you can benefit from that, that's great. Whether you make money or whether you make more Bitcoins, I'd rather prefer you make more Bitcoins. But the price going down, I think it's awesome. I think it's great. The coins I have are no risk. They're no risk to me. I've earned those coins. I've gained those coins. They didn't cost me a dime. All right. So the price can go down to 1 cent or even down to 0. I mean, I would get free Bitcoin. I doubt that would happen. You know, the bear market drives out the scammers, the bad actors, and all the non-believers and the no-coiners. Okay, eventually, when the bear market comes, the no-coiners feel vindicated and they stop bashing Bitcoin and forget about it. And once that happens, that's the best time to buy. When you stop getting the bad news, that is when you start buying, because that's when nobody cares. The market has been depressed. The price has been depressed enough. That is the best time to buy. So as long as you see people freaking out, all right, freaking out on their YouTube channels, and you get negative sentiment over the news, just be patient, all right? Let the people freak out, because those people are typically not believers. They don't understand the technology. They're not going to be around in 2 to 3 years. They're going to be gone. So there's no point in trying to convince them in staying, because they don't have any intentions of staying. They're going to leave. So, you know, let the market sort it out. Let the market sort it out. I'm just here patiently waiting, doing the live stream, giving you my knowledge, giving you my wisdom, giving you my experience. And if you can benefit from that, then you should. You should, because you'll be the better off. You'll be richer for it if you're able to extract that intelligence and use it for your benefit. Anyways, I'd like to thank everybody in the live chat here. I'd like to thank Pisces Trait 373, Patrick, Dual Overhead Camness, Leisure Picker, and let's see who else is in here. X Gamez and Sterling Payton, as well as, is anybody else? No, that's it. Not too many people. Sorry, I did start a little early because I want to have fun with my rad mini rad power bike, the folding electric bike. I'm having a blast. And you know what? It's not a Lambo. It's not extravagant. It's not going to get me laid, but it will give me a lot of exercise, and I'm having a lot of fun. I'm having a great time with the electric bike, and that's what really matters. All right, that's what really matters. Is it fun for you to be in this space? Are you having a good time? That's what keeps you here. That's what keeps you focused. Because if you're not enjoying it, then life sucks. Anyways, feel free to like, dislike, leave a comment after the live stream, or even do a video response. Until next time, everyone, stay tuned. Bye now.